In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Survey. If you're new to Zoho Survey or looking to enhance your survey creation skills, you've come to the right place. Zoho Survey is known for its user-friendly interface and robust features, making it a popular choice for both personal and professional use. When you first land on the Zoho Survey home screen, you'll notice three main options available to kickstart your survey creation journey. The first option is to create a new survey. This choice is perfect if you want to start with a blank canvas and add your own questions tailored specifically to your needs. You'll begin by entering a survey name and selecting a category. The category helps organize your surveys and keeps them easy to manage, especially if you plan to create multiple surveys over time. The second option you might see is Import Survey. This is an excellent feature for those who have pre-existing surveys saved as files and want to bring them into Zoho Survey for further editing or deployment. When you select Import Survey, you'll be prompted to upload a document in formats such as doc, docx, or txt. Alternatively, you can use the Quick Editor feature. It's a handy tool for making swift edits to your questions without going through complete formatting or restructuring. Now, if time is of the essence, or if you're looking for some inspiration, you might want to explore the third option. Choose from Template. This option provides you with a wide range of ready-made survey templates to choose from. These templates are thoughtfully categorized to meet a variety of needs. Whether you're conducting surveys for customer satisfaction, human resources, education, marketing, events, healthcare, nonprofit endeavors, government and political surveys, or even e-commerce and business surveys, you're bound to find a template suited to your purpose. Choosing a template not only saves time, but also provides a professional starting point that you can customize further. Simply pick a category that aligns with your needs, and you'll be presented with a curated set of questions and layout that you can tweak to perfection. Remember, the key to a successful survey is not just the questions you ask, but how you present them. Zoho Survey offers a suite of features to enhance your survey's appeal, from customizable themes to sophisticated branching logic, allowing respondents to have a seamless and engaging experience. As you navigate through the process, take advantage of the preview function to see what your survey will look like to respondents. This can be a great way to ensure everything appears just the way you intend before hitting that send button. With these tools and tips, you're well on your way to creating efficient and effective surveys with Zoho Survey. Happy surveying, and I hope you gather insightful data that meets your objectives and drives your projects forward.